Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. Today we're going to talk about our 2021 Coachmen Beyond, which is a rear bath model. That means it's got these two twin benches here that we have, and then of course the RB, the rear bath, the bathroom is in the back. Twin benches, bathroom in the back. You can sleep on either one of these, or you can put them together and make a bed. So today I want to do a really quick video. This Lola's right here behind me. You guys can't see her. Lola, this is gonna be the quickest video that I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna get all into this video. How do we make our rear bath Beyond into one single bed? Let's get all up into it right now. There you go. I like using these, what I call Mexican blankets. I don't know any other way to say it, but they are awesome blankets. I really like them. They offer a splash of color. Even though they look rough, they feel good. So, you know, I'm a manly kind of man. I appreciate it. As I was saying, everyone asks us, Lola, how do we take these two twin benches and make them into a full bed? Now, it's not just a rear bath that does this. There's also another Coachmen model that has like a similar thing, except it doesn't have a bath back there. It has the bath on the side. Oh, yeah. I forgot which one that was. I'll put it in here. I'll show you guys. So there's the rear bath, and then there's that model, whatever model that is. It also has twin beds. Yes. So people are always asking me, how do we do it? Right now we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. This actually comes with these two cushions here, but it doesn't come with this. We got this cushion from my friend Rodney, who owns Vandalorian. You guys have seen Rodney here, like showing us how to fix the door. So I got this from him because he does not use it in his van. Don't ask me what model it is. I don't remember. So now, if you look under here, we've got a board on top of the benches have these covers on them, but this board does not belong there. So that's part of what our setup is. So we had a board specifically made. I'm gonna pull that out and show you guys here in a second. Drop that. So this board has a lip on it. We had someone put this together for us, and I'm showing this to you all so that you can do something like this. I guess, you know, my advice with this is you can really design this for whatever you want. You have to think about what's going to be easy for you to do it and put it together, right, and how much weight is it going to carry as well, because basically you're going to bridge these two beds and make one bed out of it. And then I'll show you guys all of that, and I'll measure it and tell you how big it is. This board is basically constructed of a board wrapped with felt, and it comes in a little bit here to create a lip on both sides, right? So you can see that creates a lip. So that's what this board is doing, and it's very important. We typically keep it over here. I'm gonna do some magic editing, and with the magic of YouTube's, I've moved the stuff out of the way.
Magic of editing.
YouTube's and editing, Lola. They're two magic sciences that blend together. So down here, here's what the benches look like, right? Now we've got a table that goes here, so of course we remove that. But if you guys look underneath here, what our friend did was that he put in this piece of wood here, very strong piece of wood, a strip, and screws long enough to go through this and through this cabinet that's under the bench, and there's several of them all through here. So this is really like, I mean, this is strong here, right? And the edges of that board are going to sit on this lip on this side, and then over on this side, same thing, another lip. So effectively what you guys are going to see Lola and myself do is we're going to take the board and put it down in between these two things. So I just want to show you guys, Lola, if you come in, you can show that goes on, not the complete way, it's about an inch, a little bit more than an inch off of from each side, but it's going both ways. So that bridge is going to sit on this as a foundation, and then on the same thing on the other side as a foundation. Of course, you got all of this too. You can see it's notched for this lagoon mount that's here, right? Regardless of that, the lagoon mount is helping this side carry more weight. Here's what I do. I'm getting ready to go on the road. I do all of this before I go on the road. The reason for that is it's the easiest way to do it. Now, can I do this by myself? Yes. Okay, but I don't know if you feel like you'll be able to do it or not. Lola's not going to be with me. If she's with me, we go on the road, and then we just go, hey, let's put this thing down, and then we do it. If I'm going by myself, I still do it because I like to roll around when I'm sleeping, or, you know, whatever. It's just easier to have a big bed here. It's kind of a little trick to it. It helps if you have 2 people doing it, but we want to basically slide that board out. We keep it underneath there. I'm going to show you all. We want to slide it out and get it under these 2 boards. We don't have them pinned down, so that helps us to pop them up and get them under there and do what we need to do. So stick with me, we're going to do that. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a quick break here to show you all these t-shirts that we're selling, and here, I'll go to Lola's right here.
All right.
Lola, you be the supermodel for
I'll
this.
try my best.
So let's see if folks know what that says. Vanosaur, that's what it is, Vanosaur.
Like connoisseur.
There you go. For anyone who's wondering, these are, if you want to support us, this is a great way to support us. We have these Vanosaur t-shirts, and you can actually buy them right here on the YouTube channel.
Right.
There's like a little thing going there. What is that?
It's a scroll on the bottom of each video, as well as if you go to the home page, there's a merch tab or merch store that you can click on.
Yep. And you can get these cool shirts and support us. We're going to do different designs. I think you have stickers and different things on
Right.
in
Currently,
the store
these
right
are available on the stickers, on mugs, camp mugs, water bottles, I think hats.
Right, absolutely. So that's a great way to support the 2 of us. So if you want to support us, go there and check that out. And then one of the cool things about it that, you know, if you notice, there's no StrangerPalooza anywhere on it, so you don't have to advertise us, but you can support us, I think.
Agreed. And this first design is actually the Ford Transit camper van.
Yes. So that is, once again, I'm
That's
going
what
to
this
use
one
you
is.
as the model. So yeah, that is a Ford Transit camper van, which is right there. That's ours that you see right behind us there. And then actually, we've got some friends over there. So if you're a fan of the Ford Transit or just van life altogether, this is a cool shirt that you can get. It's kind of like a conversation starter because people are going to want to know, what does it say?
Exactly.
All right, and we're going to do more of them. Okay, so that's it. Thanks so much for listening. We've got Lola in here. Now, like I said, this is a little bit more difficult than this. We do it with these down. I'm kind of doing it this way so I can show you guys as much as I can, as much detail. So we pull this out. This is stored under here.
Right.
And we pull it out, and what we want to do, right, Lola? I'll let you lead. You want to get it under that lip. See that lip there? Go ahead, Lola. Sorry. So you want to get it under there.
Right here.
See how it's sitting down on that?
On that one.
Then you could drop this down.
Right.
And then so we kind of try to lift this up and pop this too.
Right.
Get it under here. So, and right here, you need to pull yours that way, Lola.
You mean forward to me?
No, there we go. So you see now it's sitting right there on this shelf. If I can show you guys this. So there, and it's sitting there, and you can, these are 2 different lengths. So this side, this bench is longer than this one. So that's why if you're looking underneath, you'll see that versus that one. But it's actually both, see that? So these are both down on the ground, like that.
Then we lay this
Yeah, we
down.
drop these. Yeah.
And then we bring this down.
Okay. So we bring these together like this.
And then we shove in that piece.
Now, this
piece
piece
over
that
here.
would be over there. Here, Lola, grab that. And boop. That goes in here to fill the gap.
Right, that fills the
Push
gap.
that down. That fills up the gap.
Okay.
And then all of
cushions.
these things, all of these cushions could come back, and you can put them wherever you want to.
Whatever you want.
So you can throw these in. You could throw these.
Right.
We just have random crazy cushions in here because that's basically. I like all the crazy colors. So there you go. So, boom. There you go. So now there is a gap here in the middle of this, but it's really not like, see, I'm not falling into it or anything like that. And I can roll around. I can do
The blankets,
whatever I want to
and
do
pillows are in here.
on there. It could take all the weight. I could sit on it.
Bring the
There you go.
bring the
And it's
backrest.
pretty big. Should we measure this and tell people? Because people really want to see
Bring the backrest.
what backrest.
It's behind you.
Oh, yeah, Lola likes this thing so she doesn't fall off. You could do this however you want to. If I was still sitting down on this while I was traveling, I would use that.
Getting in and out of the bathroom, it could be a thing sometimes, but I just scooch to the end here
Yeah.
and then sit and then jump in here.
If you're worried about that, you might want to make this a little bit shorter over there and leave a gap in that gives you a little bit of room to come off. But I mean, for us, it's not a problem. And like this, it's a lot bigger. I just want to show you guys, here's some mattress sizes. So twin is about 74 by 38 or 80. Full size is about 75 by 54. Queen is 80 by 60. King is typically 80 by 76 or 84 by 72. This is actually 72 by 68. So it's kind of like almost a square.
Almost. So not quite king size.
Yeah, not quite that, but 72 by 68, that's a lot of room in here. And what I wanted to show you guys, Lola, you come in. Okay. Look, Lola's walking. Go ahead, Lola. Walk on it. And it didn't break.
Nope. Take my weight.
The reason why I like it like this is because I can then throw a whole bunch of stuff on here. Lola typically will pack stuff in here, or we'll get like our stuff all packed up in here, and then we'll do this. But either way, you can put your weight on this and get stuff into the cabinets and everything. But you can also use this as storage up here. Down here, let's get the light, look at that. There's storage under here also. So a whole bunch of things I'll put under the bed as well. And that just makes it a lot cleaner. I'll try to put things where I can grab what I use the most up front. You know, some things I can access from the other side. That light that you guys see down there, that's actually the bathroom. So you can store things on top and below. And, you know, that kind of works. If you don't have guests, you can do it like this. If I stop somewhere, I don't have to do anything. I could just jump on the bed and go to sleep. Only other things with that, if folks want to know, I do have a port here for my sleep machine. I keep a sleep machine up here and run everything down through that there, and then my sleep machine can plug in to this plug, and I can have it in this cabinet, everything fed down here. You want gravity to work for you here because you don't want a bunch of liquids building up when you're sleeping and all that kind of stuff. So you want to be careful with that. I think that's it for me. What about you, Lola? Lola's taking it easy. Where is she? There she goes. Yeah, so yeah, so that's what we do here. I mean, it's not super complicated. You guys might have better ideas, better plans.
Listen,
I've seen people do like things across.
Yeah, I think it would be great if this twin system came with it, just like with blackout curtains.
Mm-hmm.
I think it'd be great if that option came with.
Right.
But it doesn't.
No.
But I'm glad that we were able to come up with a solution like this that works for us.
Yes, and thanks to the folks who helped us out with this.
Yeah,
but you know,
absolutely.
if you're crafty enough, you could do it yourself. You can come up with something, and you got lots of options. It's not super complicated, and you could do it if you need to do it. I've had a lot of people asking me, and I figured it would just be easy to make a video because I don't know how to show you guys that in pictures. So there we go. Thanks, Lola. Thanks to all you guys out there for subscribing to the channel. We really do appreciate it. And I think we're just going to call it a wrap on this. We're out of here. See you on the next one. Peace.